What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy AlastairPsycho here, and we have another bonus video because our challenge is over. It's here. Okay, the video we have today is Gmod Death Run Funny Moments Canada Edition Gary's Mod by Veritas Gary. So let's get into it now.
Alright guys, welcome to Canada!
Woo! Canada, huh?
Yeah.
So this is what it's like.
Canada Death Run. This is a neighborhood. This is the street I grew up on.
So that's where we're
Oh,
gonna
see that
where are
down,
the
see
houses?
That, see that White House down there? That one was mine.
No, I don't. Yeah,
I just see a lot of snow.
Shut up!
Do you know what else is in Canada? Naked Panda Men. Alright, welcome to fucking Death Run. It's been a while since I played this shit. But, we're gonna play some Death Run here in Canada.
Ah, perfect. Yeah, you got a big,
Welcome to Death Run. Alright, we're here in Canada. I'm not gonna fucking play. You don't stop fucking killing me. Alright, on the count of 3, we're gonna look up, we're gonna troll 5 or 6 axes, and then we're gonna wait. And the first one that dies is death, alright? 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2.
Oh my god!
5. They're not going. There's guys. There's an invisible ceiling. Okay. Well.
All right. Anthony's dead. All right. Let's play some fucking Canada Death One. I'll go first.
Let's fucking go.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Hey, look at those peaceful spikes.
Look at those big fucking spikes coming out of the ground. All right. I don't know where the next
Very
trap is.
peaceful.
It's probably
Here we
right here
go.
in this corner.
Isn't it slippery over there? Oh no, there's ice over there. I think it's over here. I think this is the next trap.
Peaceful Canada.
Anybody want to volunteer?
Peaceful Canada.
You kidding me?
I'm not fucking walking on this shit.
Oh shit!
You fuck what?
You gotta bounce like this. No, no,
Oh.
no! It's killing me slowly. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna.
He was like humping his way towards the end. What the fuck was
I
that?
was so close. Wait, is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe. Totally safe.
I wonder if they come back. Probably not.
Dude.
Probably not.
Yeah, what's next? What's next? It's so hard to tell where the
Okay,
traps are.
Savannah died first.
Oh yeah. Well.
Not a
Oh
trap.
wait, no. That's not a
yeah,
trap.
Down there, guys. There's snowmen with AKs.
That's the Canadian military.
The Canadian Armed Forces.
Bullets are duds. See? Told ya. Shot 20 times.
shoot. Do it again.
Well, it did shoot. You just missed it. Okay, I'll go back and do it again.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Canada.
Canada.
All right, next trap. Just gonna go in. Oh.
These traps are so fucking anticlimactic. Nothing happens in them.
Welcome.
Wow.
Yeah, fuck.
Press the
do
button.
it.
All right, go, lobster, go.
Fight me! Everyone
Let's
likes
go.
I've won!
I got 2.
Plus 2.
Oh, let me go.
The fuck in there, you bunch of pussies!
Oh wow, that's a big trap. That's a large trap.
What happened to him in there? Oh god, he got
He's
seized.
placed up.
Oh, there's a bomb.
Oh jeez, this looks. Oh god, this looks dangerous.
Oh shit.
It's very fucking
Don't worry, guys.
You go. You have. What the fuck? Don't step in that corner, 4-0.
Fuck that, dude.
It's fine. It's fine. I got this.
Oh man, this one's gonna blow.
Open up.
Just defuse the fucking bomb, dude. Easy.
You don't defuse the bomb.
Just defuse the fucking bomb. Just do it.
You have to use science.
Do something.
You
I
have
don't
to
give a
use
shit.
science to defeat this. Watch and learn.
What does science have to do
Watch
with
it.
this?
Science, bitch.
You idiot!
Fuck!
I don't trust it.
Yeah.
Thanks, bros. Oh my god, it's so nasty. I think that was Anthony's fucking shithole or something.
Why do I get all these long ass traps?
You know it's a long trap. You don't know that.
I'm gonna pop out that door and touch your
Anybody else want to do this, or should I do it?
Yeah.
I guess you.
That is a big ass trap. Holy shit!
Wow, it goes
No,
all
wait,
the way
no.
back there.
No, you just have to dodge it. You just have to
You
dodge
just
it.
jump and then you duck.
Alright, welcome to round 2.
Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Suck on that one, Scooty. bugging me. Just communicate your way through this, Evan. Just sorry about that, eh?
Triple syrup.
Please, fire!
Holy shit, that little corpse launch! I've done every fucking trap first.
Alright, this one is not dangerous at all, look. See?
Fuck's sake.
That one's...
Just to control the buttons.
Yeah, okay. Press it. I'm getting this done. Getting it fucking done. Oh!
Get it.
Someone's ready to push me in when I try to go
Alright, wait,
back.
hold on. No glove. I'll go with you, no glove.
Hit the buttons! God damn it! I had it fucking pinned.
Alright, I'll go with you. Okay, where the hell?
What'd you think was gonna happen?
Thanks.
Oh, not this one.
This
I'm
one's
not going
fucking
this
easy.
one.
Nice,
Just gotta defuse the bomb.
Yeah, just defuse it. Bop, boopy.
Ain't no thing.
So close to them.
Fucking bullshit, dude. Oh, I need to attack it, sir.
Alright, that's all you... Oh my god. No, that was a good plan. All we have to do is throw a
Pig at
pig.
it. Yeah.
Throw a pig at the explosion. Wait, Panda, you died twice.
Are we counting that? How did he die here? He fell off the
You
side?
stepped on the side. We'll give you homeless man mulligan.
This count. Mulligan revoked.
Lobster!
Yeah.
It's your time to shine.
Let's go.
Oh,
Time
look,
to
it's
shine.
caviar. Wait, hold on. Watch it. The jump and then the jump back always gets him. The jump and then the
Always
jump
gets
back
him.
always gets him.
It looks so
Always
funny
gets
when
him.
he
And then jump
crouches.
again. Get ready.
Oh, the homeless man didn't make it.
Wait, what? Anthony died? How?
Because he went on it.
Oh, I remember this one. I'm feeling good about this one.
Got
I'm feeling good
this?
about this.
Confident?
Yeah, I think I can do this.
Confident?
I think I can do this.
All right. That's
Wow,
what you
okay.
do it then. What?
Oh my god.
Well, well.
That
Congrats.
thing hits like a fucking truck.
Oh, blue light. Pushing.
What?
It's pushing me. Light.
Why?
Oh no.
What is that?
Pushing me so much.
Blue light.
Oh,
Alright.
that was weird.
Alright, here's the plan. You're gonna go because you have 2 lives.
That's the
Go
plan.
wrong.
Go.
I don't like that plan. It's pretty late.
What the fuck did he say?
This is it.
Alright, just close your eyes and run.
Come on, crap boy.
Hey, stop that.
Here, I'll distract him by running.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
You dumb bitch. Alright, you gotta get him off this
Plan.
trap. This is the last trap. You
Let's
have to
go.
fucking kill Evan.
Let's go.
I'm being smart. I'm gonna make it so you can't see me, so you'll never know when I'm gonna go.
Oh, that's actually not a bad idea.
So, how's everybody's day?
It's good.
What'd you guys do today?
Played some Death Run. Yeah.
Fuck!
Scotty was not phased by your bullshit.
How
What is the sound of a patriotic song for Canada? Is it just like a moose moaning? Like the mating call?
Moo.
Did you just say moo?
I said moo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what mooses. That's the sound that mooses make.
They're like Pokemon. They're the exact same thing. Okay. We all in? We're all walking past these snowmen right here.
Oh!
It's too easy. Please don't do that.
Does that count or not?
No, it never happened. I didn't put it in my video, so it doesn't exist. Oh, press the bitch. Press the bitch. Press the bitch. Oh, press the bitch. Press the bitch. Press the bitch. Oh.
Are those actual words?
Baby. Oh. Kind of a rap song. Show a beat on that.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you're dead.
Later.
When the bass drops in the song. Wow! President.
Wow.
That shit on Instagram.
Oh, we all have lives. So there's nothing to
One
lose.
life?
So I'm gonna take one for the team, and I'm just gonna die. Ha! Got your ass.
Idiot!
The count.
Does not.
All right, we have 2 lives, right?
I'm one.
Oh wait, extra for you. You have 1. All right, so you go first.
Look at the
How does
detail.
that work?
I don't think we've ever made it across here without one person dying.
Oh no, I made it across without dying.
First one, you have to jump, right? You have to crouch jump, probably. Okay, I got this shit, boys. Come on, bring it on, motherfuckers. Bring it on.
All right, here we go.
Why would you push it?
You wanted to go.
Okay. Come on, bring it on. Ow! Whoa, yes! Come on! Yeah!
Like a
Hell yeah! That's how we do it. Alright, this one. Oh shit.
Tell you when to go, Tyler. I say oink, you press
God,
it.
Van
It's
was
more
clever for
advantageous to go
doing that. He
behind
was
because they won't
waiting
know if
on
you're turning around.
Bregan,
So,
smart.
Right now, they think I'm going? No.
No, I didn't say oink, but I said oink.
Dude!
The blast radius! Bullshit! Alright, this one's not even dangerous. This one's just the smoke. Come on, man up. Somebody man up.
Okay, I got this.
Who's the man? Who's the man?
Damn it.
Jump. That was beautiful.
You went like an onion ring.
What? That's me.
Never seen an onion ring?
I've never seen an onion ring jump.
Oh, he went like the shape of an onion ring.
He was the shape of an onion ring. You mean a circle?
No, there's no such thing as a circle. Onion ring. All onion rings.
Basically, while they're running, somebody could just go
That's a
across.
square. That's a triangle. That's an onion ring.
Yeah.
Look at this man the fuck trying to sneak through.
Maybe retarded, but I'm not stupid.
Alright, you all 3 have to go at the same time.
How about we either go at the same time? Like, we have the choice. We get to go together.
Okay, you can either all 3 go together, or each one goes
One at a time.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Everyone has to beat the track, okay?
Are you cold, by the way? I never asked you. Holy shit, you must be freezing.
I mean, I've kind of.
It's got some shrinkage
You
going
ask
on out
because I don't have any clothes on, or is something a little small?
maybe notice.
Shit.
Alright,
One down.
there's one down.
That's a good call. That's a good call. That is
You
a
must
very
all
good call.
pass to
That's a
win.
very good call.
Why are you running into the
Oh
wall?
my god, what is that behind you?
there. What? Look. You gotta
Oh
jump
my god.
and jump back.
What is that behind you?
Oh, it's
Back here.
Screw this.
Jump in the middle of it
He's not
and
gonna
jump
lose.
back.
Wait, how many buttons are in here?
Your shit's not working, Evan.
Yes, I did it! Yes, I did it! Yeah! My shit's not working! Huh?
Oh,
Oh god, wait, what? Why am I stuck? I beat the trap. I beat the trap. I beat the trap.
God damn it. Alright.
Is that the end? Do I win automatically, or do I have to do something else?
You win. You're the winner.
win, but you just get to see what one you go through to get what you want.
What the fuck
Yeah.
did you just say?
Words.
Welcome to the bonus round. This is the round that determines who gets second place.
So if you
If I get second place, then nobody gets first place. There's just a second place winner.
there's just no first place, it just goes second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So
Explain the game.
the way this works is
Explain the game. Explain the
I'm
game.
fucking
Explain it.
explaining it, you stupid fucking owl bitch. If you shut up for 5 seconds, I can explain it. Okay.
Explain that.
Alright.
Explain that.
So what we gonna do is
Explain that.
Explain it.
What just happened?
Alright! So what we gonna fucking do is we gonna kill a lobster. Alright, so we're gonna jump around these floating icebergs, and you only have like a second, and then they fall out from underneath you. So we all gotta keep jumping, and eventually there's gonna be like none left, and we're probably just all gonna die. So we're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You have to fucking leave your goddamn little iceberg.
Yeah.
And you can't jump back.
Yeah.
Can't jump
Let's
back.
go.
Oh shit!
Oh god, oh god, oh god, I'm on open water.
Oh no! Oh god damn it!
He died.
401, he was the last to die.
Last one to die.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Wow, that minigame was really fucking stupid. Oh well.
You get a prize.
Second place.
What you got?
Yeah.
Congratulations, this is what you win.
You win a headless snowman.
There you go.
There we go.
There we go.
It's flying away.
This is what all women look like in Canada.
It's dead.
That's it, bro.
What the fuck?
There you go.
Wait,
She's
so
got
the
nice, she's got
nose?
nice curves.
Just eat her.
Appreciate those curves.
What the fuck?
This video was freaking hilarious. There were parts where I almost died laughing. Like it was wow. I highly recommend this video. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box to the original video so you can actually see it. And as well as the description box, I'm gonna put in my information so you can reach me just in case you want me to react to something that you want to recommend. And if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe if you don't. Well, deuces.